Hello guys, welcome to our channel Tutorial River, and in this video we will talk about how to change your Roblox username. So firstly, you have to go to the Roblox website. So in the search panel of your browser, type Roblox, then left click. Now click on the Roblox website. After that, make sure that you're logged in with your account. Then click on the gear button and go to the settings menu. Now in the account information tab, you will find your display name as well as your username. Now in order to change your username, you have to click on this edit button and spend 1000 Robux to change your username. After you have topped up the Robux and clicked on edit, it would look something like this. So just apply your new username, then click on save, and that's it. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.